I'm gonna miss these when I have to get a real life job. One that has insurance. But I have enjoyed this so much. I didn't know that goats were so affectionate. I have really enjoyed my time. Just slowing down. Hi. This is my pecan. Oh, you need more camera time? Sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't add that to my performance review. Oh, yes. Community snuggles. Don't nibble on me. I'm not a snack. I'm not a snack. Yeah, I know you say different. I already fed you. I already did. I already booped you. This is so, like, just heaven. If you had a stressful time in your life, come love on a Nubian goat.